This is the Medeco original LFIC. This is the operating key. And then control on these goes counterclockwise. So there's only 2 pins that interact with the control sleeve, or that have a shared shear line. That's the control sleeve in the middle of that core. So I'm going to try to get these, or get this picked to both shear lines. So even though this is clockwise tension, I like to try to set the rotations, if it will let me, just by scrubbing underneath of them. One's not really, 2's not binding at all. One seemed like it was trying to bind a little bit. So I'll try to rotate it one way and check it later. If it's not the right way, then adjust it. See, I think this is 3. Feels like it's binding. All right, that feels good. This is 4, it's binding. 3 and 4 feel good. I switched to deeper hook because 3 is pretty low. I don't want to overset anything. Six seemed like it was binding a little bit. And 5, they're not binding much, but it seems like that sidebar is just catching a little bit. So I'm going to try to rotate them one direction and then go through here and set the pins to shear and then check them all again. So 1, 2 is binding. 2 is good. 3 and 4 feel good. 6 is binding. 5 is not. Wait a minute, that's 4, 5, 6. 5 is binding. Six is still binding. So is 5. May have to drop a few things if these have false gates to get them to rotate. There, 6 feels good now. Six is good. 5 is, rotation is still not good on 5. I think something else dropped also. One's good. 2 dropped. 3's good. 4's good. So I'm still working on 5. Still working on 5. All right, 2 probably dropped again. Yep. All right, so 2's good, 3's good, 4's still good. Still working on number 5. Five feels like it's good now. All right, 5 and 6 feel good now. Is it 2? Did 2 fall again? Yeah, 2 needs to be rotated now. So here again, I may have to drop some things to get it to rotate. It was still not good. Switch hooks here, a little bit shorter one. Two is loose now. I don't know if I got it all the way rotated or not. It might still be in a false gate. But I'm going to check. 5 dropped. Six feels like it's still good. All right, 5 and 6 feel good. Okay, now 5 does not feel good. Now it does. All right, so I'm gonna try to lock this back up. Hopefully the rotations stay set and I can tension it counterclockwise to get control. Is what I'm hoping anyway, that the rotations don't move. And then pins 3 and 4 will need to go to the next shear line. So those on operating were the lowest they could be. So I'm just going to have to make sure to set those higher this time. All right, 6 and 5 got some decent plug rotation too. So I think the rotations are set. Now I need to get 3 and 4 up. And there we go. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and got this. All right, let's clip on the back of them, lock it back up. So just show this real quick before I do this. There's the control lug. So that retracts to allow the core to come out. And there's the operating key. See, it does not retract. That control lug. Shouldn't need to use a follower for this. So there's the sidebar, spring stayed in it. There is a top and bottom to the sidebar. That flat part, the long flat part wants to go on the bottom. So it would go like that. Sidebar groove, there's the key pins. You can see in the original The rotation limiter is in the back at the 12 o'clock position on the M3, and the biaxials, it's over on this side in the 9 o'clock position. Let's see, that's got false gate on it. False gates on these Medecos can be pretty nasty. That one didn't really give me much trouble. 5 did. A couple of them I think I just got lucky on maybe and didn't get in the false gate. Another false gate on that one. There's not a false gate on that one. And there is not a false gate on that one. Those are the ones that go to control. Get 6 out first, make it easier. So there is a false gate on that one. And then finally, number 5. I think there's a false gate on that one. Yeah. False gate on that one as well. False gates on these are nasty. There's no milling in here. No milling at all. I got these driver pins. Felt like they were all standard pins. Going to be short drivers for 3 and 4. Because to get control, the key pin goes to the top of the control sleeve, which I'll show that here in a second after I get these pins out. And then 6 is also standard. So there's the control sleeve. There's the groove for the sidebar. The sleeve and in the housing. It's a plate for drill protection. And this one does not have it on the sidebar. The biaxials have them. Or maybe it's the M3. It has them on the sidebar as well. So that would sit like that for pins 3 and 4. All right. So they're both at rest now. Got to get this lined up. All right, so that's operating. So key pins are at the shear line. Driver pins are blocking the control sleeve from turning. That's 4 and this is 3. Now, come on, get in there. And then with the control key, key pins are at the shear line for the control sleeve. And obviously they're going through the shear line between control and the plug. So it grabs that control sleeve because all the other key pins are going to be at the shear line and allows that lug to retract and the core to be removed. So other than that, all standard drivers. And you got false gates on 1, 2, 3. No, 1, 2, 5, and 6. There were no false gates on 3 and 4. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. False gates on 1, 2, 5, and 6. That is the Medeco LFIC. Differs from the small format, the SFIC, because the control sleeve runs the whole length of the plug on the SFIC. So every pin has a shared shear line. But anyway, all right, that's it.